Hello and welcome back to the JetBackup tutorial series. Today we'll be going over the hook section of the JetBackup 5 GUI. We'll go through a quick tour of the UI to show you how you can add your own custom hooks to JetBackup 5. And as always, this and all of our other JetBackup 5 tutorials are available on our website at jetbackup.com/tutorials. Before we go into how you can add your own hooks, we'll quickly cover what a hook is and why that might be important to you. Hooks are a very powerful tool provided by JetBackup 5 that allow you to execute custom scripts at various points in JetBackup 5's processes. Hooks are not limited to just backups either. You can execute a hook on any of JetBackup's processes, including restores, clones, downloads, or reindexes. Hooks can be incredibly powerful and allow for simple or complex customization of the functionality of JetBackup 5. Hooks can handle everything from sending custom alerts to your choice of application, to handling which accounts are assigned to which backup jobs based on something like a reseller package. To set up a hook, we can navigate to the Hooks tab on the navigation menu on the left side of the UI. Selecting hooks, we're presented with the hooks menu and any hooks we currently have set up. Details for currently configured hooks like name, position, type, and script path are all provided at a glance here, as well as the owner and the enabled status. We can disable a hook easily by clicking the enable toggle switch. To create a new hook, we can select create new hook at the top of the page. In the hook creation menu, we have a few options to get our hook all set up. We'll give it a name so we know what this hook does and select our hook position. A hook position will dictate whether a hook runs before a job or task when in the pre-position or after when in the post position. This can be a key distinction depending on the task your hook is handling. In a notification example, you may want a pre and a post hook to send a notification when the job starts and one to send the notification when it ends. Moving on, we can select the hook type, which will dictate which types of jobs or tasks this hook functions with, and we'll use a backup job here and attach it to our example job. Finally, we have the hook script field. The hook script field will specify which script is executed by the hook when it's ran. You must specify the full path in this field, as well as any binary that must be executed with the script if necessary. And that's it. Your hook is all configured and ready to go. Thanks for joining us for another JetBackup tutorial. In our next tutorial, we'll be going over the security section. If you'd like additional tutorials for JetBackup 5, our entire tutorial series is available on our website at jetbackup.com/tutorials.